We get 1 or 2 snowstorms this season where we live, so Lucy and Gemma have only seen snow twice last year and once this year. Ember grew up in the north, so she's used to snow taller than her. The harder the snow falls, the more fun it is for the girls. It's easier to see and easier to chase around the yard. This season, Gemma developed a love for snacking on snow and ice. If I toss chunks of frozen snow across the yard, she'll chase after it. Lucy loves catching snowballs. It's almost as much fun as playing with her rubber balls and bouncy toys outside. Both of the Springers really enjoy playing in the cold. Ember is very much like me and would prefer summer year-round. This year the girls learned about sliding in the icy snow after it melted and refroze. They haven't quite come to terms with how to walk on it without falling, but we're working on it. They're really going to miss the snow once it melts. We've had our storm for this year. It was so bad that it brought down a bunch of trees on our fence and damaged them, so we probably won't get any more snow this season. The girls will be so excited next year for more.